everyone! Let's look at how to use crop and resize in Procreate. Crop and resize means that you're adding or removing pixels from your canvas. So let's access the tool by clicking on Actions up here, then tapping on Canvas, then tap on Crop and Resize just under Canvas. The grid that we see is showing the area of our canvas. You'll also notice that any changes we make to our grid will bring up a notification on top of the canvas indicating how many layers are currently available to us. So let's adjust the canvas by dragging the corners and sides of the grid. I want to point out the reset button up here in case we make any mistakes, so we can try and crop and resize the canvas again. We can also reposition the grid by dragging it across the canvas. When you're happy with the crop, you can just click on Done up here on the top right corner. Over here on the top right, we have a few options to work with. So first, let's look at settings, and the first thing you'll see is the dimensions for the current canvas size. To ensure that you have a uniform crop, we need to come down here and turn on Resample Canvas. This will turn the chain between the values blue. So for example, if we change one of the values, you'll see on the top right that Procreate automatically calculates the correct size for our canvas, maintaining the height-width ratio. Also, you have the option to change to millimeters, centimeters, inches, or pixels. Just under canvas dimensions is DPI, which stands for dots per inch. If you're interested about the DPI and want to know how to create canvases in Procreate, I'll leave a tutorial link in the description area for you. At the very bottom here, we have rotation. This allows us to turn the canvas up to 45 degrees either way. If you choose this option, please be aware that the corners of your canvas that are outside of the grid will be cropped away. Next, we have snapping. Turning this on will allow us to snap our grid to various segments of our canvas. When you're done with crop and resize, you can choose to cancel any changes or click on Done to save the changes. Let me know in the comments if this was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.